Alright, so next up on the list is Hackle Pliers. Probably jump into grabbing some segments out of tying a little pheasant tail that I did. So Hackle Pliers, how to use them, right? So probably use these guys again on a Griffith's gnat, one of my favorite little midge patterns. Good, beautiful little flies, particularly since I got all of this Peacock Curl laying around. It's a good time to tie some Griffith's gnats. Alright, so just in the middle of doing our pheasant tail. Alright, this is the tool we were talking about. Hackle Pliers. I hope you can see that okay. This one, in fact, I'm going to take a picture and I'll try to include this. So, a couple kinds of Hackle Pliers. You'll also see some, I thought I had some, in fact I know I have some, that'll be a wire with a loop. So, important thing to look for, right? Good tension, good tension. This one in particular, the style has like a brass on one side and rubber on the other. Really seems to grip really well. I wish I had that other pair, they're around somewhere, with a wire loop. Something, as much as I love this style, a lot of times you'll use the Hackle Pliers by, oh heck, let's just do it, right? That's why we got this good stuff out. So grab them, latch on, right? And you'll put your finger in that loop. I'm already breaking some fibers because I'm trying to pay attention to what I'm talking to you guys about. So that'll be it though, but you can put your finger in the loop and, you know, wrap quickly if that's what you're trying to do. All right, so let's get this done. All right. That is using Hackle Pliers. Cool thing to think about when you're tying flies, try to snip off any of those kind of stray ends that you see as you're tying. So pheasant tails usually have either gold or copper, kind of strengthens that thorax, I think is what it's called. All right, let's shorten up our bobbin link a little bit. So again, don't cut with your good scissors. Get some old junky ones, snip whenever you're snipping. Right. Next up is our Peacock Curl. These are actually from a buddy's peacock. Getting this all buggered up, but really the big thing I wanted to talk about was those Hackle Pliers.